Thank you for joining us. Today we're going to highlight how to use hospitaltco.com to create a projection made up of multiple modules. In addition to creating an overview projection, hospitaltco.com also allows you to break up the cost of a healthcare IT system into functional components or modules. First, select Add a new projection. Give the new projection a name, enter your organization's cost of capital, and identify the kind of HIT system you'll be evaluating. Finally, select Yes for the last question, indicating you want to evaluate individual modules, and then click Get Started. Now it's time to select the modules you want to evaluate. In the case of a cardiology system, hospitaltco.com suggests a few of the most common modules, and you always have the option of adding a custom module. Perhaps this projection is focused on echo imaging management, so I'm going to select that module first, which takes me to the total cost of ownership model, the same one we used to create an overview projection. As I begin to enter costs, you can see the digital display begin to tally, and clicking on that display once again provides more detail. Now let's quickly enter the rest of our costs. With the costs entered, we're now going to click the Back to Modules button because we want to add a second module before we look at the TCO. You can see our echo imaging module is now saved as part of our new CV system projection. Now let's add another module by clicking Add a new module near the top. This time we're going to add a custom module, specifically echo reporting. Entering the name and clicking the plus sign again takes us to the TCO model. Let's add the relevant costs. This time, instead of going to the modules page, we'll check out the overview page. You can see the overview page contains all the same rich data you had with previous projections. The 10-year TCO, the TCO as a net present value, cash flow and additional breakouts, all with drill down capabilities, and the online spreadsheet for minor adjustments to any element in the model. What's different about a modular projection, however, is you can toggle between the different modules or see a roll-up of all of them. And you always have the option of managing your modules by selecting the modules link at the top. The Edit link takes us back to the TCO model for that module. The X allows us to delete a module, and Overview returns us to the Overview page. This new projection and all of its modules are now available on the My Projections page. Finally, don't forget about the Feedback and Support tab if you have any questions or concerns. We'd love to hear from you.